Ganon.
Andy, I did not came here. From grammar mga queens talaga, bobo.
Sure. Sure. Rar. That's how an alien speaks. Translated, hi.
Oh, Borge Gum!
Hi.
And of course, yung dress ni Borge Gum is designed by my good friend, my anak-anakan, si Lee Perez. Yeah!
I'm Borge Gum, and I'm your alien superstar fruit ng Bacolod City. And I'm here to dominate. The landscape of drag sa Bacolod City is thriving and trying to grow. Hello.
Pero hindi ko magets yung ano niya, like anong secreture siya. Which is branding talaga ni Borge talaga. So, but I love the color. It's really vibrant. It's really over the top. The makeup goes with it as well. I love.
National kami dahil, hindi lang only national. Lahat ng nunal, kaya namin. My difference to other alternative drag queens from past season is that mabigat. So alternative na, thick girl pa. So what can you have more? Yung idol ko po, si Yodi Puchara. Yung idol ko talaga po is
Nicole Pardo for season 5. Ay, grabe kayo.
Sasha Colby, Sasha Velour, Crystal Method. Sila yung nag-speak sa, oh my God, parang I want to be like that. To all of my hater, I love you from the bottom
Hater lang talaga, isa lang talaga ha. Hater. Isa lang talaga yung hater.
of my hypothalamus to my cerebral cortex and fuck you all. Charas! I knew in the previous season it was my ex-mother, Yuri Pota. I am a different side of a monster. She is an aswang and I am an alien. And I dominate myself with colors and she's just black and red.
Ooh! Ooh, girl, the read! The shade!
As a competitor, mag-relay ako sa pagiging creative, pagiging camp, and pagiging pretty. Charas! Pagiging monster ko. Ang aabangan nyo for me, I will serve fashion darling and everything psychedelic. I'm Borge Gum, the winner of Drag Race Philippines Season 4. And that's Kaborge.
Kaborge! I love.
Me kedi asa puke, ing bola king lalaman tete.
Bombalicious
Mabuhay
Eclaver!
Philippines! My name is Bombalicious Eclaver, all the way from Washington, D.C., USA. But my heart
Wow! I see budget. Ano daw? I see budget kay Bombalicious.
belongs to Anglo City, Pampanga. I think the universe, all the stars are aligning, and
We are going to be seeing a lot of what do you call that tela? Metallic organza or like that fluid. Tama ba? Metallic organza or organzas. A lot of organzas in this Meet the Queen talaga.
heart is being called to come back to the Philippines to reconnect. I'm very seasoned, professional. Papakita ko sa inyo bawat anggulo na kayang gawin from comedy, from drama, from writing, to singing and dancing, pati na rin ang hosting. Bombalicious Eclaver dahil bomba means porn, bakla. Pero ayaw mo siya panoorin, pero gusto mo dahil masarap.
Oh.
Eclaver from the gay Filipino language, Eclavu, which means nothing, wala lang. What motivates me to be in the competition is for myself. I already
I
held
love it. I love the colors. I'm not really sure if it's giving I don't know Bombalicious Eclaver that much yet. We haven't seen I haven't seen Bombalicious yet, like in person, so we'll see.
and pursued a dream
I'm not sure if trans siya,
for
but
my family,
it's
but
giving
this
me
time
trans colors.
I'm choosing myself because this is a dream for me. I am the next Drag Race Philippines superstar because I am a testament to second chances. Kilala ko na kung sino ako. At ngayon, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo kung anong nabuo ko bilang isang pasabog queen. Hello everyone, I'm Bombalicious Ecuador
I
and I'm
love
the
the
Drag Race
makeup.
Philippines Season 4 winner. Maniwala kayo, ito yung pinaka-best season yet kasi nandito ako. See you soon.
Cute. I love it.
Yes! Finally. Girl, mauna ni. This
Hey, I love it. I love the intro. It's like, it's giving me Bisaya right away. Like, mauna ni siya. Naaniwa. Aw, abas.
is it. Pansit.
Let's go, Dixie!
Mabuhay! Ugmadayaw! My name is Dixie Decoy. She's coy, she's feisty, and she's bringing the heat straight from Davao City. I am 23 years old. I've been doing drag for
I think she's like the second Davawenya. Because the first was Lady Morgana. Tama ba? Yeah, the second, taga Davao.
3 years. So Dixie Decoy is a pop star fantasy dancerous
I'm not really sure what the costume represents. It's black.
and gorgeous. Dixie is
There's like sea creature fins on the top.
from my high school girl named Fantasy. And
I think it's giving me sea urchin. Not sea urchin, yung parang I forgot the name. Yung parang siyang very icky na anglerfish yan. Anglerfish? Paano naging anglerfish? Parang I'm assuming it's giving me yung parang lalagyan mo siya ng salt tapos gumaganon, yung parang poke. Char.
yung Decoy is my nickname. Pinagdugtong ko lang, so Dixie Decoy. Wala akong pake. So it's an honor to represent Davao City. From the previous season, di ba, hindi niya nakita kung ano talaga yung Davao. You know, hindi niya nadala yung
Woo! Girl!
Davao well. So I'll bring the Davao well very so much. Like that. That's my sister. Kilala niya yun. Check niya lang sa Twitter. Davao is so diverse. Well, thanks to me, I was honed and raised by the community in Boulevard. Simula nung Drag Race Philippines Season 1, umangat yung community namin. At thankful ako dun kasi I've been part of that community. This season, I'll be the queen of Concrete. To my fellow competitors, galingan nyo dahil si Dixie Decoy ay hindi magpapatalo. Hi guys! You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Because it's now, mga korimao. I am Dixie Decoy. I am the winner of Drag Race Philippines Season 4. Abangan nyo si Dixie Decoy dahil madami akong pasabog. Hindi lang ganda, kundi talento ang ibibigay ko sa inyo. You're welcome.
I just wish na yung everything would have also kasi nakikita yung likod. Wow, coming from me talaga. Nakikita yung likod So yun lang. I just wish na continuous siya pa, especially sa likod na. Especially this is like you can't only see, and this is coming from me. I've learned from yung runway ko, yung feathers you like it or not. Everything can be seen. So, every detail really counts. But it's nice. Maganda yung makeup niya.
Hi,
I like
my
the
name is
details.
Galigash. Ang kilabot ng etik.
Ba't walang boses si Galigash?
Nawala ang boses ko. Kinuha ni Ursula. Yes, nandito na ang kilabot ng Etibag. Hi, I'm Galigash, 30 years old stunner from the
Oh, really? Galigash is 13 na pala?
historical capital of the Philippines, Cavite City. Galigash is an expression, it's an art. So huwag kayong magugulat, it's Galigash.
Yes, Gali Gash is just a PA, personal assistant lang dati. Pero ngayon si Reyna na. Isa na siyang drag queen. Eh, hindi pa ako drag queen, inaral ko na yun silang lahat. I was just taking notes. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo lahat yon. Yung mga napag-aralan ko sa mga mama ko.
I love Galigash. As in, like, ang bait ng batang to. As in, like, really, really very approachable.
Gali Gash is very versatile. So makikita niyo lahat sa akin. Fashion, comedy, and everything. Ang
And
dinala
really
ko
funny,
dito sa
really
competition na to
funny.
is yung puso ko. Walang ganun sa ibang queens. Kasi nanggaling ako from the royalties. Nabuo namin sisterhood namin ng With Heart.
Yes.
Hindi ako naniniwala na best ang season 3 kasi nandito na kami. My gosh, Gali Gosh. Ang makikita niyo dito, super fun. Pero more drama. Alam mo yung I deserve to be the next Drag Race superstar kasi ako ay may puso para sa lahat. Charing, because I will tell my story and this story will inspire you guys. So, keep it up. Dream big. Hi, I'm Galigash. Catch me here sa Drag Race Philippines Season 4 because this season will be gag-worthy.
Gag-worthy na nawawala na yun. Ma'am, healthy po ba kumain ng itlog sa umaga kahit bagong kamot? Depende kung anong itlog yung sinasabi mo. I love Kitana!
Hello, Drag Race Philippines! My name is Kansak.
Akala ko naman, wala din siyang boses.
Na your tanto mama. I am 24 years old and I am from Santiago City.
I love this outfit!
Isabella.
Love
Well, sumali
the
ako sa
outfit.
Drag Race Philippines para makita na ng Drag Race bakla. Na may mga nakatago pang bakla sa mga region, bakla sa mga probinsya lang katulad ko. Leche, may nakita ba kayong ganito sa past 3 seasons? Wala. Ako pa lang. Can describe Katana's drag in 3 words. Maangas, masarap, and wow. Yon. This season, I will be the queen of swag. Diba? Drag, swag, rhyme. Wow. Ang magiging role ni Katana sa loob ay siya lang yung angel sa gilid. Balat-balatan, maganda, friend ng lahat, sobrang sinungaling ko. Well, bakla, mag-e-expect kayo ng whole lot of angas. Full-time kagatan, ang bumangga, matatagasan. Ibang breed kasi mga bakla
I love
talaga
the
dito sa
details sa
Pilipinas.
makeup. I
Bakla.
love it.
Mga kulang sa pansin lahat. Mga kulang sa aruga lahat. Kaya lumaki mga papansin talaga. So, pag hindi napapansin, talagang nag-iisip ng way para mapansin. Ayun namin nag-result ng uniqueness naming lahat. Pero among all of us, girl, we're looking at the winner of season 4. Wow. I deserve to be the next drag superstar. Dahil pag hindi, aabangan ko kayo sa kanto lahat. Tangina nyo. I'm Katana, and panoorin niyo ako sa Drag Race Philippines Season 4 dahil bubugbugin ko lahat ng mga kalaban ko bakla. Brutal, madugo.
Love. I love the attitude. Yes.
Marami pa kayong hindi nakikita sa akin. Kasi I am a man.
Anong dan?
I'm a woman with a lots of secrets. Kaya kung gusto nyo malaman yon, abangan nyo na lang.
Another fellow Bisaya, for those who don't know, di ba si Manza. Si Manza is also Bisaya. I forgot kung saan siya nag-originate talaga. Like, from Hi Katniss, from Davao ata, if I'm not mistaken.
Hi world! This is Manza, your drag tourist spot, and your death-defying queen from Davao de Oro.
Oh,
This
Davao.
season,
Davao
I
de
will
Oro.
be the queen of the air because lilipad tayo, hindi lang pangarap, but tagumpay.
Yes,
Nakikita
she is known to be like the stunt and like the flying diva talaga
You know,
of
kahit
the
saan.
Philippines.
Recently, nakita niyo ako sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Ngayon, nandito na ngayon sa Season 4. My talent is kakaiba. Walang sino man ang kayang umabante, umantay, at kayang gumaya sa kakayanan ni Manza. Ako lang ang nag-iisa. Performing at OBAR is very pressure kasi nga, you know, three reigning queens
Ang dami
are
nga
sa OBAR.
provincial queens,
And OBAR
which I
kasi
love.
hindi lang siya basta performer ka doon.
Pero, do we have a Cebuana queen? Mapapass on ko na ba ang koron?
It's really a training ground for us. Also, OBAR queen naman ngayon for sure ang mananalo. Hindi namin yan bibitawan. Ang laban na to ay hindi lang para sa akin. This is also for the aspiring artists, my family, and my province. Davao de Oro! To my Manza Nation, stay lang kayo dyan ha. Stay believe on me.
Ha? Ano daw? Stay, ano? Manza, stay believe on me.
Because ako na bahala dito, kayang-kaya ko to. I'm Manza, the winner of Drag Race Philippines.
Lahat sila ha, may linya na. I'm the winner of Drag Race. Pag kayo hindi nanalo.
Season 4. Kaya abangan niyo ako. Marami
Tektos
ako
kayo sa
ipapasabog. Katulad ng mga kasama ko, papasabugin ko sila. This season, I will be the queen
Oh,
of the underworld.
shoot! Maureen!
Sorry. Naging demonyo.
Wait muna, her face the face is giving me, it reminds me of Maxi. No this, but it's giving Maxi yung shape. The shape is giving me Maxi. Yeah. Maxi, but feminine. Like super hyper femme, ganun. Ganun.
All rise, bow down, because the goddess of the sea is here. I am Miss Marine Biology, 20
Ang ganda ng lips niya.
something years old, all the way from the
Wow. Cut yun. Something here.
summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. Finally! Hindi na ako rumored ka.
Ay, wait muna. She's going to be the very first Baguio Queen, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba? Yeah, very first Baguio Queen. Tama ba ako? First Baguio Queen.
Ayan, tapos na ang paglilista niyo sa akin sa mga rumor-rumor na yan. And no, hindi ako yung nag-back out last season.
Hi,
Maureen
Marion.
comes from my pageant name, which is Maureen Lopez, and of course biology because, bitch, she is a science teacher. Unlike
Ooh, I
Aces,
didn't know
professional
that.
teacher. Crack the tea. I am the epitome of Filipino drag excellence because,
Hindi ko alam kung sino for season 3. Sino na baka sa season 3? Ah!
bitch, you can dive into
Ayoko
the
na
depths
mag-say.
of me in all of this glory,
She
in
is
all of this fashion,
body
and
girl,
all
as in
of this
payat girl.
talent,
Ang ganda.
darling. For this season, expect looks from marine biology, and of course, expect some drama. Maybe I'll give you some. I believe that I deserve to be the next drag superstar because I believe it is high time for a provinciana girl to win. I mean, Manila Queens, hi.
Ooh!
For my fellow competitors, you all better watch out because this is going to be a tsunami ride. I'm Marine Biology. Catch me making waves on Drag Race Philippines Season 4 because it's going to be a wavy season.
Season 4 na. Kala baka death drop pa rin tawag nyo, ha?
Hey,
Pag narinig ko death drop yan,
Merks!
tatawagin ko si Tita Jiggly. Sabay namin sasabihin sa inyong it's at cha.
I've worked with Mercs in sa Nectar pa, and as in like na super wow ako sa kanya when it's prior na mag-transition, as in like super amazed ako sa pag-perform niya.
What is the tea, Kanti? My name is Smirks. I'm 28 from Antipolo City. And I am bam, 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 bam.
Yeah,
ballroom.
bam.
I've been in the ballroom scene
Ano yung pinapanood mo? It's the Meet the Queens of Drag Race Philippines Season 4, girl!
For more than 5 years. Pandemic yun. Pandemic kami nag-ball na
Hi,
imagine walking the balls in your
Bejayas!
room.
The mouth of Cebu Drag. Viva, viva, viva! Saan siya pwede mapanood? I'm watching it on Wow Presents Plus, guys. As true girls, we have access.
Boom, di ba? The cameras and the Wi-Fi, ayun lang ang meron. There are new children, but the girl is still here. For sure, you know Mix Chanel and Zimba Ding and the other Rugers Matilda. Takan sila unang natutumbog. Yes, di ba? Naturuan ko na rin ng choreography ang Divine Divas. I was also one of the dancers. Houseplay Akla. Wait lang. Pre-transition era ko yon. So, bakla ako ginakanong patent. So, I've been getting gender-affirming care for more than 5 months. So, baby pa lang, trans nenet. Favorite kong drag queen ay si Marina Summers. Si Marina ay trans and thriving. Sa ngayon kasi, trans pa lang tayo. So,
Wala pang driving. Wala si Tia Labra na laging nasa room.
yung thriving papunta na yung thriving, andito na tayo di ba? Sobrang multifaceted
Ayoko
ko
na
ng
lang mag-say.
aking character. I represent the ballroom community, I represent the trans community,
I love the contacts,
I represent the people
Max. I
behind
love
the
it.
scenes. Sobrang dami ko na pong ginawang work in the shadows, and I believe now is the time for me
Please join another season, please. Oh, thank you so
to
much.
have that
Bigyan niyo ba ako ng budget?
spotlight. Ibibigay ko na sa sarili ko to. Akin na to. Mananalo ako. Bigay nyo ah. Bigay nyo ah. Tsare. Nakiusap. I'm Merx from Drag Race Philippines Season 4. The season will be legendary because Ballroom is here. I'll make this a pasabog season. Yes.
Latina Royal, kamusan ka? Kung tawagan ko nila, why not? Huy!
Sa lahat ng mga kalab.
Miss
Keep
Wa!
looking real.
Shit, she's the only one with the highest hairdo of the bunch.
Wrist, because I know that's what you can do best.
Oh, we miss you, Miss Wa. Ooh, bad deal.
Hi, I'm Miss Wa. Your Oriental fashion doll from Cagayan de Oro City. 25, and I put the Oriental in Misamis Oriental.
It's giving me goldfish / koi / Chinese or Japanese na yung mga lumilipad na mga characters na yung mga ganon-ganon, samurai something.
As a creative, I enjoy the whole process. I do my own looks, from the hair to my outfit to my nails. And that's on talent, skills, and taste.
Yeah, girl.
I chose miswa because it's my Lola's favorite dish.
Aw.
It's Filipino Chinese, and I want it to be true to my roots. That's why it's miswa. This season, what I'm going to bring into the table is the miswa flavor. I am the main dish. I'll give you anything you want. The drama, the fashion, and the beauty. I am the drag kabudo. What more can you ask for? I am from the House of La Fea, and there are 6 of us. And we are very close to each other. And ayun siya. Parang tangina naman. Umiiyak sa akin, no? Meet the queens. Ano ba yan? All of my runway looks are made by...
Number 1 look ko kay Borge Gum, then kay Miss Wa. Yeah, Miss Wa. I love this look. It's giving me goldfish / koi na mahaba ang buhok.
the drag queens of CDO. These are my sisters, and coming into the competition, showing what we can do, showing it to the world, it feels very heartwarming. It's season 4, baby. Let's get it on! I am your next drag superstar because I add flavor to your drag experience. And my God, it's time for a regional Chennai queen to win. Hey world! I am Miss Wa, and I am your next Drag Race Philippines superstar.
I miss you, Miss Wa.
Being gay in this society
Hayop na to. Si Taylor.
is not to diminish our humanity. Talaga namang trending na trending. Pinipilahan. My name is Taylor Shish, your international superstar.
Ang kinis niya dito, ah.
Representing Antipolo City.
nipis, hayop. After Miswa, sinunod talaga si Taylor.
Kasi si Taylor Swift, nag-perform ako sa Market.
Hindi, kasi ano talaga siya, alphabetically arranged. So, kaya ganon.
At way back 2023, so the Market theory, so effective siya. So since nag-perform ako sa Nectar and everything, voguing, doon na nag-start yun, na parang nag-trending talaga siya at pinilahan. So hindi ako para makilala nila.
The dress actually reminds me of Ovi Kant's yung Meet the Queens din na outfit ni Ovi Kant, yung purple na pag ganun. It's giving me that, but in a blue color. But Ovi's is like bigger. This one, it reminds me of that one.
Ang other side ni Taylor
Diba?
Swift, yung mother side naman. So marami akong i-bring sa iyo na glamour but always stupid and camp. Just like my outfit, full of flaunces.
Francis, ano Francis?
Sa competition na to, I'm a shy type. So,
Wow.
hindi ko masyadong paid out. Mga fellow competitors ko, mag-book na po kayo ng habal. Papauwiin ko po kayo, sorry. So, hindi po ako hihinayang na nasira ko yung dreams nyo. Next time po, galingan. Charit lang. Na-expect nyo sa...
Hindi, eto, grabe din to mag-roast. Grabe mag-shade tong si Taylor. As in, like, malala. Hi, Summer! Malalang mag-roast and mag-shade tong si Taylor. As in, I love her for that.
Akin, this season, ibang taong makita nila, other side ni Taylor. Parang final boss ni Taylor Swift. Hi, Taylor Swift. Alam mo naman. I'm inviting you to watch Drag Race Philippines.
What if mag-message si Taylor Swift sa kanya, di ba?
Don't worry, we have subtitles.
Hi,
That's
Alex
Drag Race
Thorne.
Philippines S4.SRT. So I can't wait you to witness the glamour and the stupidity of my drag. I will be the queen of Drag Race Philippines Season 4 dahil ako talaga ang trending na trending pinipilahan.
In fairness.
Oh, madalas niyo po maririnig sa
Ang
akin.
ganda!
Mga ikang ne, mga pie may die. May eme lang naman yun.
Ang ganda! Hayop!
Ohayo minasan, watashi wa Valeria Kurihara desu. Hajime mashite. Hello Pixies, it's your trans fairy girl, Valeria.
Valeria!
Kaya Pixies ang tawag ko sa mga
She's the last queen, if I'm not mistaken.
fans. Ngayon ko lang ginawa yan actually. Kasi ang branding ko po is mga fairy fantasy. I started performing in O-Bar 2016. It's almost a
Wow.
decade. Actually, ako po yung kauna-unahang anak-anakan ni Precious Paula Nicole. So, ang pinagkaiba ko naman po sa mga naging anak-anak ko, katulad ni Manza, una yung muka. Girl,
Oh my
buti
God.
na lang talaga talentado. Super talented talaga si Mansa. Kasi sa mukha, hindi naman siya makakalaban eh. Yung mukha. As an actress, first time ko siyang ginawa. Ang movie na po na yon ay Warla. Ginampunan ko po yung isang karakter doon na Pok-Pok, which is pasok din naman sa ano.
Pasok
for
sa
this
branding.
season,
Masasali ka sa All-Stars. Meron ba?
ang pinagkaiba ko din lang talaga sa kanila is lahat sila notahan. I am the next Drag Race Philippines superstar. Kailangan din talaga ng O-Bar na susunod na manalo para makuha ulit ang corona. Hi everyone! This is Valeria, the winner of Drag Race Philippines Season 4. Abangan itong season na to dahil ito ay magiging pasabog, masaya at puno ng kulitan.
Early faves. Okay. So, definitely, one of my favorites talaga is si Miswa. But unfortunately, we all know what happened to Miswa. So, we miss you, Miswa. Ever since na nalaman ko na Miswa joined Drag Race Philippines, as in, I was really rooting for her. Yun. Another would be... Ilan ba? Ilan ba yung gusto nyo? Top 5? Top 10? 12 lang sila, dalawa hindi mama. Top 4? Top 4. Okay. My top 4. Okay. based off of the, ano ha, based off of the Meet the Queen's look and personality, I would say, in no particular order, I love Borge Gum's outfit. It's the only one that's super grabe ang colors. As in, that's one. Next would be sino ba? Katana. She is giving me a different side of drag, and that's something that I would want to see. Like, something different. Like, really, really different. Who else? Third would be, hindi ko na isasama si Miss Waka kasi obviously. Next, I would say, uy, ang hirap nito. Maureen Biology. Kasi ang ganda niya, as in, ang ganda. The dress, the face, the body, it's giving, as in, like, really, yes. And then my fourth one would be, I'm torn between Manza and Valeria because I've worked with both of them sa OBAR, and super bait ng dalawang yan. Pero mas close ako kay Manza because nga si Manza is Bisaya. So, very torn ako. Pero in terms of, no shade kay Manza, in terms of ganda lang, I would say Valeria ako. In terms of talent, dito tayo kay Manza. Now, sa outfit nila, wait muna, review ko nga yung outfit nila. Okay. Pareha eh. Kasi the hair is really styled, really nice. Yung kay Manza, it's very modern. While yung kay Valeria naman, it's your classic, yung classic big hair. And then, ang hirap. Wait muna. So, okay, diba? Charisma, I would say, kay Valeria. Uniqueness, I would go for Manza. Nerve, Manza. Ano pa nga yun? Charisma, uniqueness, nerve, talent. Talent, Manza. So, I would lean towards Manza sa dito. So, my top 4 would be Borge. Di ba nakalimutan ko? Gore yun. Char. Borge. And then, Katana, Maureen, and Manza. Those are my 4. Based off of the Meet the Queens lang. Okay? Yun. Mapuksaan now si Udipota at Borjigam sa X. Talaga ba? Bahala sila. Ayoko na makisaw-saw sa mga issues ng mga queens. Tama na yung issues ko. Charing. Puksaan ang Meet the Queens. Correct, as in. And in fairness to Drag Race Philippines, ang ganda ng set, ang ganda ng lighting. In fairness, the editing is really, really nice. I just hope na although there's a lot, well, most of them really good friends ko talaga. We have, I'm good friends with Andy Crocker, Borge Gum, Miswa, and then we have si Gali, Galigosh, wait, nakatrabaho ko na ba si Katana? Parang hindi pa ata eh. Si Miswa, si Manza, nakatrabaho ko na siya sa O-Bar. Si Taylor Shish, nakatrabaho ko na, I think, si Taylor Shish. Or basta kilala. Yeah, we're friends with Taylor. Merks, of course, nakatrabaho ko na siya sa Nectar. And then Miswa, of course. And then si Valeria sa O-Bar din. So, yeah. Yes, it's giving budget. Season 4 is really nag-up yung budget nila. So hopefully, magkano ba yung price nila this year? 2 million ba? 1 million din? Saan 1 million? Para same. Para namang nanalo. Char. Ayun. I'm super excited for...
Kailangan din talaga ng O-Bar. Dahil
September 25. Oh my God. That's like a month from now. Oh, fudge! Wait muna, may ano ba sila? May premiere pa sila? Kasi kung may premiere sila, I would want to be invited. Well, usually naman the previous queens are invited for any events naman din. So, ayan. Who are your early favorites, guys? Sa now, Drag Race Philippines Season 4. Finally, the long wait is over. We now have new faces, new queens, and new sisters added to the family. Andy Crocker, Miss Wa, we miss you. Rooting for Katana. I love Katana. Katana's giving me a different side of drag, which I'm really looking forward to. Na parang I want to see more. Parang ganun. Parang excited ako to see more of this one. Valeria, yes, she's pretty. There's more provincial queens ngayon, ma. Yes, which I super, super love. Sad lang kasi wala tayong Cebu. Cebu queens. So, hindi ko mapapass on yung crown, which makes me the only Cebuana Ru girl up until now. So, I was hoping na I would be able to pass on the crown na may ibang Cebuana queen naman na papasok sa Drag Race. But unfortunately, wala. But that's fine. Hopefully, in the next seasons to come, there will be there will be a Cebuana queen that would represent, of course, Cebu. Bacolod CDO, Davao Queens are dominating. Love it. I know, ang mga episodes. Wait na lang po natin. Ma'am, ikaw lang Japan ng face ang Cebu Drag, ma'am. Siya sa memory mo. Wala. I'm tired. Honestly, like super excited na ako to pass on the crown, to pass on the burden of, ano bang term dyan? Cebuana Ru girl, yun. Thoughts on season 4? Grabe. Aside from the looks and the ganda, like the beauty of each queen, I'm really looking forward to ano ba yung mga drama this season. And that's something that we would want to look forward to, di ba? Ano ba yung mga drama this season na mawitness natin? May drama ba? Wala? How drama is the drama? Ganun. Anong mas maganda? Promo season 2 or season 4? Mas maganda, of course, every season will really up their editing and, the quality of the video really improves every season naman. Diba? If you compare season 1 to season 2, of course, better na yung season 2 kasi mas, of course, may budget na. Of course, and then season 3 came, mas maganda na din yung Meet the Queens nila. And now, it's really nice. Like, I mean, the the quality of the video, ha, I mean like super nice, as in super nice. Ang linis, ang ganda, maganda yung lighting. I love the editing. I love it. I'm sad and proud of Miss Was included. No, she should be. She should be recognized. Miss One needs to be recognized that she is part, or she was part of Drag Race Season 4. She needs to be there because she is Season 4. Yes, muapil ka balik if given a chance. If given the budget, hindi siya chance. If given the budget, kaso walang untucked daw. That's what I heard, which is sad because usually, or it could be na yung untucked is already incorporated sa episode. You never know. So, and we all know that Drag Race Philippines is full of drama. So, let's see what they're going to do about it. Slation Royale Season 2 if ever invited ka. Wow. Nasa Untucked ang iconic scenes. Yes, as in, 'di ba? Naantay Untucked, uy, bahalag ako mag-edit. Ay, wow. Mag-apply ka sa sa Wow Presents Plus and sa wait, sino pa yung nag-produce? I think it's still the same production team. Hi, Gab! Naantay Untucked. Bali, September 25 pa yung episode 1. Yes, September 25 yung episode 1. And I'm hoping that, because I know that season 3, they did not have a premiere. I'm hoping that season 4 would have their premiere para, the queens would feel like, yung na-feel namin when we had our premiere as well as our finale, na parang very special yung moment na yun. Because yung premiere, it's like you're presenting yourself, not just like on TV, but you're presenting yourself like physically to the world that you are a Ru girl. Parang ganun. Are you excited with Mama Pao? Yes, I'm super excited with Mama Pao. I'm super excited kung ano yung mga outfits ni Mama Pao. What color of wigs she will bring this season. Are we going to be seeing red wigs again? You never know. Let's see. Kinsa imong favorite sa cast, Moms? Nasabi ko na kanina, favorite ko talaga Miss Wa, of course. I'm a very, very diehard supporter of Miss Wa from the first day na nalaman ko na she was part of Drag Race Philippines, even before everyone else knew about it. And ayun, sad to say, or sad to hear na yung nangyari sa kanya. Hoping for Mama Pao's makeup transformation if ever. I feel naman, there's that gradual improvement, hindi lang kay Mama Pao, sa lahat naman talaga. Like, there's really improvement. If you're going to compare Mama Pao's makeup from season 1 to season 3, you would definitely see the improvement, di ba? Sinong may pinaka-polished na look, ma? Pinaka-polished? Oh, nice question. Pinaka-polished, I would say, si Maureen Biology. Sa Meet the Queens lang to, I'm just basing this one off of Meet the Queens na look. Kinsay least favorite ni mo, Moms? Char lang. Sa Meet the Queens? I don't really have my, because everyone actually gave, least favorite in terms of, in terms of Meet the Queens, I would say Dixie, kasi nga yung sinabi ko kanina, I wish na nag-continue yung sa harap niya dito sa likod, yun, but her makeup is really, really nice. Sino pa ba? si Golly Gosh, I would have wanted to see body kay Golly Gosh because Golly Gosh can actually serve body kasi ang liit niya. I would have wanted to see body sa kanya and probably instead of giving me tela, it's like really skin and like probably like gold flakes since it's yung color niya naman is gold. So I would have wanted that. And next, bottom 3 na lang.
It's marine biology. It's my
Wait muna, mamaya ka na. Okay. I would include Taylor Shish. Just because yung sa taas, it's not giving me, parang hindi siya nag-coincide dito sa kung ano yung sa baba niya. I love the gown. I love, although it reminded me of Ovi's Meet the Queens also na outfit. It reminded me in a different color lang. I just wish that there was like a connect sa dress niya dito sa taas. Probably she could have worn like she could have worn like a headpiece or something that would just connect the top from the bottom, or like from her head to her outfit, because the outfit is really nice already. I just wish that there's a connect lang sa because this is giving me Taylor and then this is giving me like the theme for the Meet the Queens, yung parang ganun. I love how you comment with the other season. Very constructive. Diba? Yes. But, ganda. As in, like, kanina nga yung comment ko kay Taylor Shish. Like, wow, ang kinis niya dito, in fairness. Yun. Those are my bottom 3 just for the, just for the Meet the Queens lang. Because everyone's, like, really serving. As in, really, really serving. Hi, Shauran. Hello. Of course, I love Mama Pao. You know, the reason why, not just because she's our host for Drag Race Philippines, but ang laki din talaga yung natulong ni Mama Pao sa akin during our season. Especially when I stayed in Manila, I was really struggling and people didn't know about it. But Mama Pao really helped me a lot. As in, like, nagbigay siya ng ang dami-daming wigs na nabigay niya sa akin and yung ibang ang wigs na binigay niya sa akin. Actually, binigay ko na din sa ibang mga Cebuana queens. Ang dami niyang mga damit na binigay sa akin. Heels. May accessories po. May binigay ba siyang accessories? Parang wala, no? Damit and heels. And then yung iba kasi, either hindi siya magkasya or nagamit ko na siya, binigay ko na sa ibang Cebuana queen. Do you still perform dyan sa Cebu? Yes, I do. I still perform. I still do drag, guys. It may not be as regular as I wish it would be. But yes, I still do drag. I'm still the face of Cebu drag. No one else will be able to get that title. Whatever the other Cebuana queens would say, I don't fucking care. Mamatay sila sa inggit. Diba? Ganon. I love my Cebuana queens, but I'm still the only Cebuana Ru girl. By far. Diba? Kain po tayo. Nagutom mga dun sa mga comment. Kay Mama lang ang face of Cebu Drag. True! Bakit? Naisipan ba nila yung tagline na yan? Face of Cebu Drag. We're the first, guys. We're the first. Sobrang fulfilling siguro makasali sa Drag Race, ma'am. Yes, it really changed my life. Changed my nose. Changed my face, literally. And yeah, I'm very grateful to Drag Race Philippines because that was really the turning point of my life. I mean, you know, ang daming blessings na
Tapos barangay.
ma-
Balik ng gym.
it really changed a lot and it really brought a lot of blessings sa akin. So I'm really, really grateful for Drag Race Philippines for giving me that opportunity. Kasi who would have thought, a dreamer from Cebu was able to get inside Drag Race Philippines, diba? And a baby drag queen by drag age, not by literal age. So, for most of you know, I started doing drag in 2021. So that's like super, super bago pa lang. And then I got inside Drag Race Philippines in 2023. So that's like what? Less than 3 years, I would say 2 years. So that's technically still considered as a baby drag queen pa rin, di ba? Kaila ko ani niya. We. Queen, may tea na ba sino mga host? Sino mga host? Or co-host, you mean? You know what I'm really excited about? I'm really excited sa girl group nila. Kung ano yung color sa girl group nila, ano yung title ng song nila, and I would want to know kung ano yung mga lyrics ng mga girls, 'di ba? Maano fave mong piyasa pag nagpe-perform? To those who knows Nicole Pardo, replyan nyo yan kung ano yung ano. Hi, Blue! Replyan nyo yan kung ano yung most not requested. Kasi hindi siya requested talaga. Sometimes nga hindi siya nire-request. Ako lang talaga may gusto. Maka-crazy. Yeah, sa ano, the song is really maka-crazy ka dun sa ano, sa song na yun. Char. Tama. So yeah, there. Ah, sige. Any other questions, guys? Ayun, super excited now for Drag Race Philippines Season 4. Again, we have new queens, new faces, and new sisters added to the roster of Drag Race Philippines, and super excited for them. Super happy ako para sa kanila because I know the feeling of finally, it's already out. Yung parang you can tell the world finally after how many months of keeping it to yourself na you can finally tell the world, I am a fucking Ru girl. Yung parang ganun. May thought na ay Cebu Queen this season. I know the feeling. Kasi ako ready na talaga to do this. So, yung parang to pass on the crown. Describe Drag Race PH Season 4 in one word, ma. Malangsa. Kasi di ba fish, it's very fishy. So this season, I would say it's really fishy. So we don't know if it's going to be like super fresh, if it's malangsa because of the drama, if it's going to be fluid, yung parang talagang it's going to bring us to that sweet journey, or is it going to be really a big tidal wave of emotions? So we never know what would happen. So I would say it's a fishy season. Nicole, ang fresh mo na. Naalala mo, sabi ni Kat, Kat, daddy ka daw. Oo. Gusto niyo maghubad ako dito. Malansa real. That's correct. Malansa realness. In English, fishy. Ganon. Fishy. Fishy season. I thank you po. Thank you. Sino bigay? Moteru. Moteru. Thank you so much for the rose. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Wow. Oh my God. The lives of these queens will definitely change. Well, I know some of them are already living the life, but I mean, this will really catapult their, drag career to a different height. So, Fave MTQ looks. Nasabi ko na kanina yung top 4 ko. Si Borge Gum, si Katana, si Maureen, and Manza. I hope Provincial Queens naman mananalo, please. We'll see. We'll see kung sino. But I'm so happy na mas maraming Provincial Queens this time around. Parang, di ba? September 25 naman. Yes, I know. September 25. Super, well, a month from now. So, super excited ako. We'll see kung meron silang premiere. Wala pa namang sinasabi, but we'll see. I'll be asking some of the queens, like, usually, nakakausap ko talaga sila Borge, sila Andy. We'll ask them if kasi kami talaga yung season, kami yung talagang nag-push talaga na magkaroon ng premiere, ng finale. 'Di ba? Kami nga, imagine, kaming lahat sa season 2, talagang pinush namin na magkaroon kami ng verified account sa IG. And most of us, parang isa lang ata yung tagalan. Well, si Katkat kasi blue check na siya dati or verified na siya dati. So kami talaga sabay-sabay kami na nagkaroon ng blue check. So yun. Hopefully the queens will be like that too. And that only tells you guys that how connected and how what do you call this? Yung parang ganun yung connection namin ng season 2 sisters ko. We're like really close talaga. Yes. I know that a lot of people are really saddened by the, by the passing of Miss Wa. And she is a great, great talent na, she's almost there. She's like almost there. Pataas pa lang yung niya, yung drag career niya, because she was already like super magaling even prior entering Drag Race. She was already magaling, and then of course being in Drag Race, that again, it will really boost your network in terms of drag. So nandun na and sayang talaga yung talent ni Miss Wa, but definitely she will be missed, and she is really an iconic queen. Yan. Momentum, yes, that's the term. Sayang yung momentum ni Miss Wa, because we all know na si Miss Wa can really go far. Si Jiggly din parang di na masaya kung wala siya. I know, we miss, ako personally, I was really, really crying my heart out when I knew na yung nangyari kay Mami Jiggly. And people don't know about this one, and kasi hindi naman talaga siya like really broadcasted, but I see Jiggly as like a big sister. Kaya nga nung may one time na I remember this one, si Paris France na she performed a number and she was showing pictures of then queen. I mean like yung mga yumaong queens na and kasama si Jiggly doon. I was really crying there sa ano man RU bar something. Yes. Ikaw Jud to ako nakita sa Sinulo. Really? Saan? Saan nyo lang nakita sa Sinulo? Kinsay mga provincial queens na ni appeal. Daghan. There's like a lot. Borjgam from Bacolod. We have sino ba? Si Dixie from Davao. Si Maureen from Baguio. Manza from Davao del Norte. Is Davao del Norte the same as Davao? I'm not really sure. Sorry. And then, of course, we have Miswa from CDO. And then, sino ba? Yun lang. Kasi some of them are actually, mga Manila Queens na to. Season 5, yun nga sana. I am eyeing one queen to enter. I would really want her to be to join Drag Race because I know that she has the personality, she has the looks, she has elevated her drag like big time. And yeah, I would want her to Ngano ka walay rep from Cebu after your season? I don't know. Siguro wala nang ibang magandang wala nang ibang magandang may personality na may issue na Cebuana Queen. Chareng. Odasha bet ko sa season 5. Why not? Odasha, Shawarma. Look! Nagdugo! Oh! Wait muna. O, diba? Any thoughts behind the rumors that naa daw untay mo join to represent Cebu? Legit ma? Naa ba? Char. Well, based off of the Meet the Queens, wala naman. So, diba? This is what you call merece. Charing. Deserve. Ba't kasi pinap yung yung pimple? You got nose job na, mami. Yes po! Thank you so much, Doc Fremont Base, for my wonderful nose. Char. And thank you so much to Drag Race Philippines also because of you guys. Nakapagpanos ako. Thoughts for Dixie. I'm actually looking at Dixie's nakapost yung video sa kanya ngayon. I love Dixie. Ang ganda ng makeup niya. I love the aesthetic. I just wish yung sa Meet the Queens niya, continuous siya sa likod. Kasi when she does this, nakikita yung dito. And it's like, yeah, yun. That's it. But, I love the concept. I love the makeup. I love it. It's just that, I just wish na continuous lang siya. Hala, this is the face of Cebu Drag. Yes, na nagdudugo ang ilong. Char. Ma-feeling ko alam na nila Kat sino win sa UK versus the world kasi nandito na si Jade eh. Baka UK versus the world or down under yung sinasabi mo, B? Kinsay mong giroot this season? Honestly, it was Miswa. From the get-go talaga. It was really Miswa. Thoughts for Kitana. Kitana is giving me a different side of drag, which we really would want to see. I said, this is like alternative drag to the highest level. As in. But, honestly saying, for a alternative drag, sa Meet the Queens niya, I wish talagang pinush pa niya yung ano, the concept is already there. You know, the aesthetic is already there. I just wish it was really pushed further pa. As in, like, really pushed further. Because for those who don't know, for alternative drag, I feel like alternative drag kasi gives you a different feel. It's like a different emotion. It's a different vibe that you get from alternative drag. And that's what I want to see. Kasi I've seen queens doing alternative drag, but it's not really giving me alternative drag. I mean, like, I want an alternative drag queen to give me a different kind of feeling. Yung parang either masusuka ako, I want na parang maiinis ako, I want na yung mawiwirduhan ako to the highest level na hindi ko mag-guess na ano to, ano yung nakikita ko, or parang nandidiri ako. That's the kind of feeling that I want to feel when I see alternative drag. And I would question, ano to? Like, yung ganun. Yan yung alternative drag for me, ha? That's my definition of alternative drag. It gives me a different kind of feeling that I wouldn't see in other types of drag. Yung parang ganun. It's different, like, from camp. Camp is giving me this... Camp kasi it's parang stupid na funny na out of this world na parang mostly it revolves around stupid and funny yung camp, diba? Which Cebu Queen would you root for season 5? Woo! That's very controversial. That's going to be for another video. Not oversized queen, plus size queen, Bella Ruca. Ay, ano ba? Ano ba yung... Ba't kayo nag-aaway dyan? Char. Team Nicole Pardo for Cebu versus the World. Cebu versus the World, grabe kayo. Pwede bang pwede ba tayo sa international franchise? Diba? I can talk. It's just that wala lang talaga akong airtime. Yeah, Jo. Hi! Daghan ba kag choices ma? What do you mean? Choices in terms of like sino makakapasok sa season or queens that I wish would be in season 5? Not that many, honestly. Dun tayo kay RuPaul. Sino fave nyo sa Meet the Queens? Overall, whoa, that's a tough one. Hindi, parang na-answer ko na kanina. Maureen. Si Maureen yung overall ko. Overall. As in, it's like giving me like polished queen talaga. As in like polished queen. Kita Minaj. I look like Kita Minaj? Are you sure? Sure. But thank you. I feel like it's like a compliment. I'm not really sure. Feel mo who will go home first? Ako na lang. Ako na lang palagi yung pork chop. Sorry. Para hindi na nila ma-feel yung kung ano yung feeling ng pork chop. Hi Gwen, miss you too. Diba? Super excited for... I'm actually also excited for yung video aside from like Meet the Queens, yung promo look talaga, yung promo video. I want to see it. We'll see kung ano yung anong atake nila. Of course, it's going to be dagat-dagat, but I mean like, how is it going to be? Are we going to be seeing AI? Emma? Naana ba? Naana Meet the Queens, but naana ba ka ng kwan? Wait sa... Let's see. Wala pa. Over. No, I mean like the video. The promo video. Not the promo photo. Like the poster. Not that one. The promo video. Like every queens talaga. Yung nagsasalita si Mama Pao, parang gano'n. That's what I want to see. Yeah. Meron na ba? Ba't nauna sa FB? Parang tanga. Ba't nauna yung FB? Dapat kasi nandito na yan sa ano eh. Ayaw ko na lang mag-down. Wait mo na. Hindi, Meet the Queens. Ano? Meet the Queens to eh. Not Meet the Queens. Yung, Hindi, Meet the Queens yung nandito eh. Hindi yun. Ito!
From the Center for Marine Biodiversity, a new school of Pinoy drag excellence will swim and slay. And in these waters, only the fiercest creatures.
Ooh! The wig is wigging. I love, and the headpiece. Sino kang gumawa nito? The headpiece, I love.
Survive!
Ready to learn about marine biology?
Yes, girl.
I don't call boom spade. I aim for the kill. Season 4 na? Oh my golly god!
Now that's camp. Now that's camp.
Filipinas got charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent!
Wait muna. Yung kay Manza, I would want her to nakatayo lang siya.
Bombalicious definition makes the boys kaloka!
I love the outfit also. Ooh, Valeria. Ganda.
Trans-Pinay!
Amin ang perlas ng silangan! Silangan ng silangan!
It's a cruel summer!
Diba? Yung kay Taylor Swift talaga, it's like really a little, it's giving me half and half. Like, I mean, yes, the lower half is like giving me the idea of the Meet the Queens, but the upper half is like, okay. Parang ganun.
Are you ready for it?
Oh! Oh! Yung kay Dixie, ang ganda ng pagka-edit.
Friends Diva Mache, Friends Diva.
I love the edit of Dixie. Yes!
Are you ready to be gummified?
Parang off sa akin yung kay Borch Gum dito. Because parang very festive yung niya, yung outfit niya, and then the scenery or like yung scene niya is like dark. Yung mga gets. I would have wanted it like a different scene or something for Borch. Parang hindi na highlight yung outfit niya.
Shimmer, sparkle sleigh, and the siren on the bay.
From the ballroom to the ocean floor, I'm the queen you can't ignore.
Did somebody order a missile?
12 queens, 1 crown. Who will reign sa katragatan ng perlas ng silangan? Drag Race Philippines Season 4, making its world premiere on
I love this layout. I love this. Kinda off ako dun sa yung parang lumangoy sila. Parang, ano yun. But this layout, like all of them, this is like a really, really nice layout. I love.
Presents Plus, hashtag Drag Race PH.
Yes!
Oh, hindi ko na pala. Hello, oily na ako.
Yes, go Mama Pao. Although, yung kay Mama Pao, it's like, it's a bodysuit. I would have wanted it like to mas fitted. Or if not, like, really, because I know Mama Pao is skin talaga si Mama Pao. Eh. Skin si Mama Pao, but ba't siya nag-bodysuit? Ano lang, yun lang yung comment ko kay Mama Pao. Ah. Kasi na-emphasize yung ano niya dito, yung gumanon siya yung sa rocks, yung pina-aerial. Tama ba? O yung pina-aerial niya, dun na-emphasize kasi na ang tawag dyan, it's bodysuit or catsuit-ish yung outfit niya.
Amin ang perlas ng silangan!
I would have wanted it na really skin-like, not yung mesh, not there's a different type na tela which is yun yung ginamit dito, yung skin tone na spandex. I'm not sure if this is even spandex, but I would have wanted it like mesh, para skin tone siya. Parang ganun. The editing was off or baka for comedic purposes. Could be, but you know, it's Mama Pao. It's may halong comedy din talaga yan.
It's a cruel summer! Are you ready for it?
Center for Marine From the Center for Marine Biodiversity, a new school of Pinoy drag excellence will swim and slay. And in these waters, only the fiercest creatures survive.
Ready to learn about marine biology? I don't come
Ganda
from
talaga yung kay
Spain.
Katana eh.
I aim for the kill.
Like, pasok talaga sa branding niya.
Season 4 na. Oh my golly God.
Ito, comedy cams. Erica, yes.
Pilipinas?
Oh, very stiff yung kay Manza dito. As in, like, she's really stiff here. Like, I would have wanted some movement, I would say. Movement.
Charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent.
Bombalicious definition makes the boys kaloka!
Wait muna. Why is Bombalicious reminding me of... She reminds me of yung taga-Thailand na sumali ng Slaysan. Ang pangalan niya? Siam. Yes. She's giving me Siam. Why? Don't you see it? Don't you see it? Like, ako lang ba? Ako lang ba nakakakita ng ganon? Like, she's reminding me of... Tingnan niyo. This look. That look itself. It's reminding me of Siam. Do you agree? It's... Okay.
Catch of the day, Trans Pinay!
Ganda talaga ni Valer.
Amin ang perlas ng silangan!
It's a cruel summer! Are you ready for it?
Ang ganda ng yung kay Dixie talaga. I love the editing. No, it's fine. Are you talking about the vape? It's fine. Naka-AC ako. And yeah, bahala na yung for sure may restriction, blah, blah, blah. But okay lang yan. Consuming substances, okay lang yan. Ang ganda ng edit ni Dixie dito. Literally. Ang ganda. I love this one. Love, 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 love.
Beauty burns deep, but my shade burns deeper.
From the close up to the yung full body to the scenery, it really blends it. Yes, 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 yes.
Are you
Yung kay Borge yung parang hindi ko magets. Kasi very festive yung outfit niya and then nilagay siya sa pinaka-bottom ng bottom of the ocean. Hindi ko magets. Ano to, Drag Race?
ready to be gummified?
It doesn't give justice to the outfit of Borge Gum.
Shimmer, sparkle, slay, I'm the siren of the bay.
si Andy Cracker dito, para siyang yung mamang lahat ng mga sirena, yung parang ganun.
From the ballroom to the ocean floor, I'm the queen you can't ignore.
Did somebody order a missile?
12 queens, 1 crown. Who will reign sa katragatan ng Perlas ng Silangan? Drag Race Philippines Season 4, making its world premiere.
Ang ganda ng layout nung silang lahat na super nice. As in, like, ang ganda. I love the placement, like the different colors. It was really ang ganda, promise. Yes.
Here on Wow Presents Plus, hashtag Drag Race PH. Ay, hindi ko na pala. Hello, oily na ako.
Which is better for you, Slation or Season 4 promo? I would say Season 4 promo. Slation for me... the Meet the Queens. I really didn't like the Meet the Queens ng Slation Royale. I feel like super dark ng lighting. I didn't like the lighting talaga of Slation. Season 4, I would say Season 4. Promo super... Season 4 promo super nice. Really, yes. Pre-season pick. Nasabi ko na to kanina, my top 4 based off of the... Okay. So, my top 4 sa Meet the Queens is different from my top 4 dito sa promo video. So my top 4 for the promo video, I would say Maureen, Dixie, ganda ng edit, promise. Merx, and sino yung isa? Valeria. As in, those 4. So, I have Maureen, Valeria, Merx, and Dixie. Pero, in terms of top, sa promo video, Dixie is my top here. Top ko talaga. Love the edit for Dixie. As in, yes. As in, like, I would say 100 out of 10. That's how good the editing of Dixie was. Yung kay Borge, that's a 1 out of 10. I really don't know or parang pagod na ba yung editors dito ng Drag Race Philippines. I really don't know what happened. Kasi hindi talaga nagtugma, hindi nag-jive yung outfit ni Borge dun sa background niya, dun sa edit niya. I don't get it. Kay Taylor, nasabi ko na to kanina, in terms of the Meet the Queen's outfit, I love what she wore. I just wish that merong something sa, like a headpiece or something, or probably here that connects to the head, that would really connect this part to her outfit. And her outfit also reminded me of Ovi Kant's Meet the Queens also na outfit. Feel ko agad Manza and Merck's top 2. I don't know. We'll see. Well, in terms of performance, well, possible. Kasi Manza is really a performer talaga. Merck's is a performer also. Maureen is a performer, as far as I know. Sino ba mga performers dito? Katana is a performer. Sino pa ba? Yung mga alam kong performer dito, I haven't seen si Galigash. Okay yung performance ni Galigash in terms of drag. Like seeing her do seeing her perform in drag, okay siya. I wouldn't say ang pangit or like, but okay siya. I wouldn't say na it's like on top of my list, but okay yung kay Gully. Manza, we all know Manza. No need to explain. Valeria, maganda si Valeria. Performance-wise, so. I would say okay lang. Sino pa ba nandito? Taylor Shish. Well, of course, we know her doing... I haven't seen Taylor Shish kasi na nag-perform ng other songs other than a Taylor Swift song. So, although I know na nakapag-perform na siya ng ibang songs aside from, mga Taylor Swift na mga songs, but I haven't seen it like in person. So, I would want to see that. I haven't seen, or I'm not really sure if nagkakita na kami ni Dixie. Haven't seen her perform, honestly. So, I cannot, si Borge. Have I seen Borge perform? Parang nakita ko na si Borge nag-perform dito sa Cebu eh. Although, hindi lang talaga full. If I'm not mistaken, nakapag-perform na si Borge dito sa Cave. Correct me if I'm wrong, mga Cebuana Queens. Andy Crocker. Andy is a performer. She is camp talaga to si Andy. Mertz, to performer to. Miswa, performer din to si Miswa, but and then Miswa na yung pinakalas dito eh. Yeah. So ayun. Shh. May tea ba kay Borge and Yudi kasi former mother, sabi niya yung... I don't know, and ayoko na magkisaw-saw dun sa it's their tea, and I would want to go to a different coffee shop. Charing. It's not my story to tell, and I'd rather be in a different coffee shop. Ganun na lang. Let's just put it like that. Would you compete on a future All-Stars? I've already answered this one before pa. Competing or being there is not a question. The big question there is the budget. Yun naman talaga eh. Diba? Kasi I feel like the confidence has already improved. The mug has already improved. Performance-wise, I would say it's okay. But yung budget talaga yung pinaka big concern. So, ganun. Kung may tamang budget tayo, why not? Di ba? Why not? Lalaban tayo. Ako pa ba? As a Leo, palaban tayo. So, yeah. Hi, Cassie! How much usually po ba if sasali? Depende naman. Wala naman talaga siyang set or wala siyang standard na amount. But of course, you want to really represent talaga, not just you. Hi, Jello. So you're not just representing yourself, you're representing your place. Let's say for me, I'm representing Cebu. So of course, you don't want na kaso yun nga lang, yung problema sa amin, yung budget ko, hindi ganun kalaki. So, of course, pag hindi ganun kalaki yung budget mo, hindi din ganun ka bongga yung mga yung mga outfits mo. But ako, I'm very thankful sa lahat ng mga taong tumulong sa akin money-wise and especially sa pag-conceptualize to the sa paggawa talaga ng mga costume. I'm really thankful for all of them. Verushka for All Stars, why not? We need drama for All Stars, di ba? What can you say about Mama Pau's look? Well, I love Mama Pau's look. I'm not really a fan of her damit because it na-off lang ako a little bit na catsuit siya instead of giving me skin because I know Mama Pau has good skin. So, I wished na parang talagang nakabalot talaga siya, as in like really balot na balot siya. In a way na yung ano siya, yung eto, it's not part of like a catsuit, if you know what I mean. Hi, Kia. How much did you spend on season 2? Without giving specifics, I would say lahat kami. Lahat ng mga drag queens na sumali ng Drag Race Philippines, lahat nasa 6 digits. I would say. I don't think less than 100 yung magagastos mo. The trade we never had. Yeah. Well, hindi naman talaga ako trade nung season 2. Ngayon lang. Charot. Where do you prefer to compete? Philippine All-Stars or international? Kahit saan. Kung sino yung maunang tumawag sa atin. Kung may budget. Hoping to see you on All-Stars, ma. Yeah. And you're going to see a different Nicole this time. Someone palaban, someone sexy, someone yummy. Someone pleasing to the eyes, especially sa camera this time. Kasi nung season 2, ko na lang magsabi. Pero MILF pa rin ba ang mother? I'm still going to give you that motherly vibe, pero siguro magpapahinga na ang twins. Yes, the twins are now sleeping. Ganun. Sino gusto mo makasama All-Stars if ever? Gusto mo makasama si Verushka. Like, talagang if ever, di ba? It's really going to be big drama if ever kaming dalawa nandun. Kasi known talaga yung mga Bisaya, especially pag people would even assume na kahit nag-uusap lang kami, nag-aaway na daw. Pero hindi. Diba? Kasi malakas lang talaga yung mga boses namin. Well, oh siya, it's already 11 guys, and I've seen both the promo video and the Meet the Queens. I'm super excited for season 4 of Drag Race Philippines. I hope you guys are, and please support all of the queens. I know we all have our biases, but let's all support them. Kasi, we should love every queen because sila talaga yung magdadala ng season na yun. So, yeah, super excited ako to meet them in person. Well, I've met most of them. I want to meet all of them kasi may mga bagong sisters tayong ma-include sa Drag Race family. So, super happy, super excited, and super gagged ako sa anong mangyayari sa Drag Race Philippines Season 4. I'm really looking forward to the drama, kung ano man yon. And ayun, thank you so much for watching this live. I will see you really, really soon. Love you. Mwah! Bye, guys.